So dear students, welcome back in my new tutorial based upon MS Excel. As you know, most of my students are having Excel app or WPS app on their mobiles. So it is not possible for me to teach the formatting effects or some other effects of Excel because it will be too difficult for you to do that effects on your mobile app. So basically, I'm focusing upon calculations and what I feel is easier for you to attempt on mobile. Other students, those who are having computers or laptops, they can try the assignments from the books. You have the books with you, and based upon that, whatever you are feeling and any kind of problem or any assignment you feel it's not possible, you can ask in the group. So in that way, my both kind of students who are doing on mobile or who are doing on laptop, they can do. But I am giving you the common assignments. Okay. So in my today's assignment, I had made a table based upon salary report. So in my this table, I have given one column employee code employee in a company, different employees are there, employee code. So each, like you have roll numbers, so in a company each employees are having their own ID. So some fictitious IDs I have given here. The name also fictitious names, because my main motto is to teach you how to do the calculations with certain conditions. Then certain salaries I have typed here. Then certain conditions like DA is also kind of a salary. I have written here 50% of this salary. That means this salary is based upon the basic salary. This is DA total. Then total salary, salary plus DA. So means in this salary, whatever the DA comes, this and this should be total. It should be added. Bonus 10%. So what is bonus 10%? The condition is being given here if total. Total is what? This. If total is greater than is equal to 5,000, then bonus is equal to 10% of total. That means this total, if it is greater than 5,000, then it should be given as a 10% of bonus. Gross salary. So firstly, what I'll do before explaining all these things, I'll start doing step by step. So first of all, what you should do, you can pause your video. At least you have to type this, all this data on your mobile or on your computer. Okay. So you can pause this, pause the video, type it, and after typing, you can again play this video. So I'll start with the formulas. So 50% I have to calculate. So it's very easy. Is equal to, then this is C5. What I'll do, bracket multiply by 50 divided by 100. So it's 2500. Okay. So once you'll do it, what you have to do, earlier also I have told you, you have to copy this formula. One way to copy this formula is you just take your cursor to the end point here, this side. It converts into plus sign. Okay. Then you can drag it down, and what happens? So this formula, if you will see what is the formula here, C5 multiplied by 50 divided by 100. Now if I'll see the formula here, C6 multiplied by 50 divided by 100 means it is copied itself, and the reference here it was C5, here see it is C5, here automatically it became C6. Same way here it became C7. I hope it is clear to you. Here it became C8. So automatically it copied, and it updates automatically from C5, then here C6, C7, C8, C9, like this it automatically updates. So our DA is calculated. Now the total, we have to calculate the total. Now what's the formula of total? Salary plus DA. So it's again very simple for you, is equal to C5 addition what, DA, and C5 plus D5, and I'll press enter key. You could see you can calculate manually also, the same result will come, and then I can drag it down. So I got the result. So now bonus is equal to 10%, but I have given some condition for bonus. If total greater than is equal to 5,000, then bonus is equal to 10% of total. If total, so I have to put the condition here, is equal to, if total, that means what is total? Firstly I'll put if bracket start, that means this is the total. E5 greater than, what was the condition? If total or, okay, greater than or is equal to 5,000. So I'll write here greater than is equal to 5,000. Then what should happen? I'll again start with the bracket. Then what should happen? 10%. Again E5 multiply by 10 divided by 100. Okay, this, in this way also I can use, or either I can go with another bracket also. So if I multiply by, here it should be 10, because 10% I have to calculate, because it's written here, then bonus is equal to 10% of total. So if I multiply by 10 divided by 100, that means if it is true, if greater than is equal to 5,000, then it should be 10%. But if it is false, then what should happen? Then I'll put again comma, and then inverted commas. I want to flash some message. Why I'm doing it? Because if I'll not write any message, it will simply give the message there false. I don't want that message. I want the message which I want to use that side, wherever this condition is not true, means that message should flash on in that cell. So I'll type there, I'll type here no bonus. Okay, and then I'll close the bracket. So here the bonus has been calculated. The same way I'll drag it down. You could see here it is written no bonus, and just see the condition here, it is 4,500, and our condition says where total is greater than is equal to 5,000, so it is less, so we have not to give any bonus. So that means our formula is right. Now gross salary, that means salary plus DA plus bonus. In this case what I can do is equal to, because salary plus DA is already been calculated here, I can type E5 salary plus DA, then added bonus, and I'll press enter key. So it's 8,000 250, and I'll simply drag it down. I'll simply drag it down, and you could see here the problem is coming. I'll see why this problem is coming, because here because text is there and we can't add text with any number. That's why this problem is coming. So I have to means in my formula some problem was there. So what I'll do, I'll rectify this formula. E5 greater than, okay, this is okay. Instead of this, I'll not type anything. Let's see, I'll put blank space, drag it down. Again, the same problem coming. E11 F11. Again, it is not adding space with the value. That means for adding, you can add only number with number. So what I should do? E5 greater than 5000. That means this is not also working. I'll type here 0. Okay. I'll press enter key. Now what will be the result here if I'll just take it down? 0 is coming. Now 0 can be added with the number. Now it's giving 4500. I hope it is clear to you now. This condition is clear. Now income tax 30% of gross. So here we have to calculate 30% of the gross salary. Now what is the gross salary? This is the gross salary. Again it is very simple. Is equal to, I can just start with the bracket, if gross salary multiply by 100, bracket close. That means I have to start with the new bracket. Then I can go with the multiple brackets also. It depends how it is easier for you. I feel that multiple brackets use gives more edge for calculations. So I have to calculate 30%. Bit some error is coming. I'll see why this error is coming. Okay, I have not given the condition. So if I'm not giving any kind of condition or something, it will give the error. So here actually income tax only, no condition is there, only you have to income tax, yes, condition is there. We have to calculate the income tax actually. So here the condition was gross salary greater than 20,000, then tax should be 30% of gross salary. So now we have to see gross salary where it is greater than 20,000. Then we have to give the tax, and tax should be 30% of the gross salary. So actually we were not applying this condition there. So that's why that error was coming. If this gross salary greater than 20,000, then what should happen? Bracket start. क्या थी condition? Then 30% of gross salary. Then 30% of the gross salary. That means G5 multiply by 30 divided by 100. Okay. Let's see. अब यहां पर false आ रहा है. Why the false is coming? because this condition is not meeting, this condition is not true. So what I should do if if it doesn't meet the condition, what I should do? I can give some other condition like else, that means no income tax should be there. In that case I can give here 0. So in this case, because his salary is less than 20,000, so no income tax for this person. Income tax is what? Income tax, actually government takes some amount from your money. So but certain conditions are also there. So based upon his salary, because he is taking very less salary, so no income tax. Government is not taking any money. So according to the formula what we have calculated, so if G5 greater than 20,000, so hence this condition is not meeting that criteria. So we have calculated only if it meets, then only 30%, otherwise 0. So it is 0. But as we'll drag it down, in other cases it will calculate, like here it is calculate, it's calculating the tax here, 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 and here again the salary is less, very less, so no income tax. So last step is very simple. Gross salary minus tax. So it's very simple. G5 minus H5, 8,250, and we will drag it down. So in this way, we are in the position to calculate the overall salary. So I hope students, this assessment is been clear to you. You know the way how to calculate uh, this assignment. This assignment is based upon salary report. So I hope you all will do. Still, if you feel any problem, then you are free to ask me. Okay. So with this, I'll close my assignment.